Hello everyone, Tina here from Papertrey Ink. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Thanks so much for joining me. Today we're going to create a card in 5 easy steps, and we're going to jump right in. We're using the Winged Serenity stamp set. We have the Coordinating Die Set also. We're going to be using the brand new Wish You Were Here stamp set for our greeting, and then I do have the Coordinating Die Set for this. Starting off with step number 1, we're going to go ahead and do some stamping and heat embossing with our Winged Serenity butterflies. We're going to stamp the larger butterfly 3 times, and I have 3 different colors of Papertrey Ink's colored cardstock. I have Orange Zest, I have Lemon Tart, and I also have Hibiscus Burst. So I'm stamping on an embossing pad. It just makes for a better impression because my work surface is really it's not the ideal surface for stamping. I already treated all of my papers with my anti-static powder tool, and we are going to go over our butterfly and we will stamp this. And I'll go over it with white embossing powder. I'll do the same with our Hibiscus Burst. And lastly, we'll stamp on our Lemon Tart. Using my heat gun, we're going to melt all of the embossing powder. And then we are going to die cut these out. Okay, for me, lining this up is a little tricky because you can't really see the lines. So what I did was took some very thin cardstock and I die cut out the same butterfly, but we're going to use the negative piece here. This is going to be our guide. What I like to do is line this up over my image, and then I will tape it down here. We will add another piece of tape over here. And then I take the die, just line it over, give it a shimmy so it's not moving, and then I take this to my die cut machine. I'll be right back. And then our butterfly is perfectly centered and die cut out. And I'm going to do the rest. I can reuse the template. We're just going to line this up and continue the process. Now also, while I'm die cutting, I'm also going to take some white cardstock. This is more of a heavy duty cardstock. I'm going to die cut out 3 butterflies with white cardstock too. Once all my butterflies are die cut out, I'm going to take the white butterfly. I kept the inside pieces to the wings. I'm going to flip them over upside down, and then you could use Scotch tape if you wanted to, but I think my low tack tape is going to work perfectly for this. I'm going to tape down those wings to the butterfly. So this is what it looks like. Now we're going to take our colored butterflies that we heat embossed, and then I'm going to add some glue behind here. And all we're going to do is layer the embossed butterfly right over the white die cut butterfly. This is just going to add a little bit of extra dimension. I'm going to create a little bit of a butterfly cluster, and once I'm happy with it, I'm going to add some glue behind here. So we're going to add a dot of glue, and I'll attach the orange one, and then I'll add a dot of glue here, and I'll attach the yellow. That's all there is to that. Now we're going to move along to step number 2 and create our home panel. I'm going to set this to the side, and I'm going to bring in a die set from Papertrey Ink. This is the cover plate, Jumbo Dots. I think this is going to be a great place to add our butterflies. So I'm going to take some white cardstock, and I'm going to die cut out a panel with this. Okay, this is die cut out. I'm just going to punch out all these circles, and you never know when you can use them, so I'm just going to put them in the packaging. Okay, I am going to leave this white, but I do want to doctor it up a little bit. So I'm going to bring in my splatter box. I'm using my solar spray. This is from Simon Hurley. It's called Golden Hour, and it's like a really pretty gold color. And it's just going to doctor up this white panel and give it some shimmer. Very subtle. But if you tilt it, it just turns that cardstock into a pearl colored cardstock. I used my heat gun to help with the drying process, but I love that pearlish sheen. What we're going to do next is take our butterflies. I'm going to pop these up with some foam squares. And we're going to place the butterflies right in the center. And that's our home panel. Now we're going to move along to step number 3 and create our sentiment. I'm going to be using the Wish You Were Here stamp set. We're going to use the greeting that says, "Wherever you go, go with all your heart." Confucius came up with that. And I also have the coordinating die. We're going to stamp with our Papertrey Ink's True Black ink. I'm going to stamp it on white cardstock. And then I'll use the coordinating die, and I will cut this out, and I'll be right back. I did die cut out my greeting with foam also, so I have some dimension to the sentiment. We're going to go ahead and add this to the bottom, just using a little bit of glue. And that's all there is to that. Okay, we're going to move along to step number 4 and create our background. For my background, we are going to ink blend directly on our card base here. So I'm going to open it up. I masked off the top of my card base, and now we're going to ink blend, do some messy ink blending. I have Orange Zest, Summer Sunrise, and Hibiscus Burst inks. I'm actually going to flip this around this way. And then we are going to add some color. We'll start off with Hibiscus Burst, and I'm going to add it over here. Next, I'm going to use some Orange Zest. And lastly, we're going to use Summer Sunrise. I'm going to add a little bit of Hibiscus Burst up here. I'm going to add a little bit of Summer Sunrise in this bottom corner here. And I'm going to add a little bit of my Orange Zest over here. We're just filling in those empty areas. The reason I flipped it around was intentional. The main spots that we ink blended, I wanted to be pink, orange, and yellow. So we have pink, orange, yellow. The pattern here matches my butterflies, but I didn't want it to line up behind the butterflies. I want it to be on opposite sides. So if we flip this over, the pattern changes. And so I did that intentional, just so we have a little bit more of a color variety. So that's our card base. I went ahead and put glue behind our panel here. And I'm just going to layer this right over the top of the background that we just created. I'm going to hold it down. And then we have some beautiful colored polka dots in the background, and I just think this looks so playful. Now we're going to move along to step number 5, and we're going to embellish. We're going to use some Papertrey Ink Moonshine. So sparkly. And we're going to add a few extra circles in our background. And that finishes my card today. A really fun, playful card that's filled with flutter. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for sticking with me to the end. I have 2 more videos that you guys might be interested here. If you guys are new and like the content that you see, click that subscribe button and also the notification bell. That way for future videos, be notified. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It sure does help the channel. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.